power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn in granite crystal metallic. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power folding mirrors, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, remote start system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7393.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.